Hello friends, this is Bharti and you are watching Learn Maths with Bharti. First of all, a very happy Independence Day to all of you. So today we are going to continue the exercise related to Thales theorem or BPT. So here we have a question, let us read. In figure 6.20, DE is parallel to OQ and DF is parallel to OR. Show that EF is parallel to OR. So first we should write given things. So here here it is given DE is parallel to OQ, okay, and DEF is parallel to OR. Clearly it is given in the question. So to prove, see the second part of the question, to show that EF is parallel to QR, it means to prove EF is parallel to QR. Okay, so proof. So how we will start the proof? First we need to find a triangle in which we can find DE is parallel to OQ. See here, DE is parallel to OQ. So we can choose this triangle POQ. So in triangle POQ, DE is parallel to OQ. Therefore, by BPT, here we can apply BPT. If a line is parallel to one side of a triangle, then it divides the other two sides in the same ratio. It means we can write the same ratio here. PE by EQ is equal to PD by DO. PD by DO. This is equation number 1. Now again we should choose another triangle. Now let me erase it. Now we should choose a triangle in which we find this. It means DF parallel OR. See here we have DF is parallel to OR. It means we can take this triangle POR, in triangle POR. So here in triangle POR, what is parallel to what? DF is parallel to FR. Therefore, by BPT, we can write PF by FR is equal to PD by DO. This is equation number 2. Okay. Now from equation number 1 and 2. From equation number 1 and 2. From equation number 1 and 2. From equation number 1 and 2, we can see clearly the right hand side is equal. So we can equate the left hand side also. PE by EQ is equal to PF by FR. So now let's see this triangle PQR. So now in triangle PQR, PE by EQ is equal to PF by FR. Just now we have proved here. This one you write here. Okay. In this triangle PQR, PE by EQ is equal to PF by FR. So now we can apply Converse of BPT. Converse of BPT says that in a triangle, if line if any line bisects any two sides in the same ratio, then the line must be parallel to the third side. It means, therefore, by converse of BPT, converse of BPT, converse of BPT, we can write EF is parallel to EF is parallel to EF is parallel to QR. EF is parallel to QR. So we have proved it. We have proved it. Hence proved. Hence proved. Okay. If you are watching first time my video, I suggest you to watch my previous videos where I explained the BPT in detail. So for that, I will put the link in description box or I button. Okay. Now let's move to the next question. Okay, now here we have another question. So, in figure 6.21, A, B, C are points on OP, OQ and OR respectively such that AB is parallel to PQ and AC is parallel to PR. Show that BC is parallel to QR. So, here the same thing, first we will write given. First we will write given. What is given here? Here see, ABC are points on OP, OQ and OR respectively such that AB is parallel to PQ and AC is parallel to PR. AB is parallel to PQ and AC is parallel to PR. To prove, to prove, to prove. Here we have to prove BC is parallel to QR. Now proof. Now proof. See here also we have to look for a triangle. First of all we have to look for a triangle where we can find this pair of parallel sides. It means AB is parallel to PQ. Where is AB is parallel to PQ? This is AB and this is PQ. AB is parallel to PQ. It means which triangle we should take? We should take triangle POQ. Triangle POQ. We should take triangle POQ. So here in triangle POQ, AB is parallel PQ. AB is parallel PQ. So therefore by BPT, when it is given one side is parallel to one side, okay, one line is parallel to one side, then we should apply BPT. So here it is given AB is parallel to PQ. It means by BPT we can write, we can equate the ratio of the two sides. So here we can write, see here, now we can write OA by AP. OA by AP is equal to OB by BQ. Clear? Now give it equation number 1. Okay. Now again we should look for a triangle in which we can find this pair of parallel sides. It means AC parallel PR. Where is AC? This is AC. And where is PR? This is PR. So here we can find AC is parallel to PR. It means which triangle we should choose? We should choose. So we have to take triangle POR. Triangle POR in which AC is parallel to PR. So in triangle In triangle POR, AC is parallel to PR. Therefore, by BPT, we can write OA by AP is equal to OC by CR. Now give it equation number 2. Now from equation 1 and 2, you can see that in equation 1 and equation 2, left hand sides are equal. So equate the right hand sides. So OB by BQ is equal to OC by CR. Okay, now we can see this triangle. Which triangle? Triangle OQR. Triangle OQR. This yellow triangle. In triangle OQR, we have OB by BQ. OB by BQ is equal to OC by CR. We have just proved here. Here we have just proved. So you can write this here. So here OB by BQ is equal to OC by CR. Therefore, now we can apply converse of BPT. Therefore, by converse of BPT, we can say that BC is parallel to QR. BC is parallel to QR. BC is parallel to QR. So here, hence proved. I hope it is clear to all of you. If you are new to my channel, please like, share and subscribe and click the bell icon so that you can get notifications. And if you have any doubt, you can comment me below. Thanks for watching and Jai Hind.